In a regular restaurant, you have the same mise en place every day the same thing. You're not really, well, you might have specials, so that's where you're using up something interesting or something that the fish guy told you, oh, you need to use it. We do that every day. So for us, the cooking team, it allows us to have to use our creativity, which that's the part I love, and to really decide, this is what I want to make. When we go to develop a menu, we don't want to overlap vegetables from the meat station to the vegetarian station, so we kind of look at that, but we also look at what's in season, what's going to be colorful, what do we have in the walk-in, and then you're like, okay, I'm left with these choices. I need to have a protein, a starch, and a vegetable. So you kind of build your plate around that triangle. One of my favorite dishes that I made was when I was in the vegetarian station, and it was a beet and mushroom Wellington. The beets were mixed with tofu, and so it was red that resembled a rare beef. And the mushrooms were also done in a duxelles fashion, so that was the dark kind of searing of the meat, and then it was all wrapped in the puff pastry, and it looked fantastic. So I was really happy about that, really proud of that moment.